morning, and they have the very latest on, well, the snow. More of it. What's going on, guys?
Yeah, I know everybody's pretty sick of it at this point, but another Monday, another storm that we're tracking. So we've been seeing light to moderate snow overnight, but the steadiest of it has been in the northern part of Rhode Island.
Exactly, and as we go throughout the morning, Michelle, we'll start to see some of that snowfall pick up, but it may take several hours for that to happen. And we've been saying this over and over again. This is the kind of storm where most of the time it's actually not falling that hard. It's just that it lasts a long, long time, well into the late hours of tonight.
We may even see a few snow showers left over around this time tomorrow morning, too. So we're talking another 24 hours to go here as we continue to add up the snowfall totals. Pete, you're going to be looking at the radar for us here this morning, analyzing some of what's going on. So let's go over to live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar.
And just like you mentioned, Michelle, what we're seeing right now is a steadier band of snow approaching northern Rhode Island. So places like Lincoln, Smithfield, North and South Attleboro seeing some of the steadier snow move in. Not a lot going on right now across a good portion of the South Shore, but you'll notice a band of snow trying to approach in from Connecticut. And as we mentioned, this will start to fill in, especially once we get past 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. So while it's not impassable this morning, once we get towards the later part of the commute, especially, you're going to have to take it slow. Michelle?
And, you know, we noticed the roadways were in pretty poor condition overnight here on my way into work a few hours ago. A lot of snow-covered roadways. As you head further north, if you have travel plans today up into Boston, you know, they have seen significantly more snowfall than what we've had around here. They've already totaled more than a half a foot of additional snowfall as it was accumulating throughout the day yesterday. So the winter storm warning continues for our entire area until 1 o'clock in the morning. And take a look at our threat tracker Futurecast. So we're going to keep our area up into that high category as the snow will continue to fall light to moderate throughout the day today and even into the part of tonight. So in terms of travel conditions today, we do expect a burst of moderate to maybe at times heavier snowfall, much of that through the morning hours. So after, say, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning through about 2 in the afternoon. So that's when I would expect our travel conditions to be at their worst this morning, and then not much improvement during the afternoon, but the intensity of the snow may ease up a little bit. You can see the visibility is still pretty good in Providence right now, about 18 degrees, Smithfield's 14, Newport 19, and we're at 24 in New Bedford. Here's the satellite and radar, and as Pete had mentioned, you can see where the snow is filling back in over Connecticut and much of eastern New York. That's going to be pushing in throughout the morning hours. Here's this area of low pressure, and it's going to be traveling along our stalled front and keeping the snowfall around. So additional snowfall throughout the day today, as much as 5 to 10 inches of additional snow up into the Boston area, 3 to 6 for most of Rhode Island. The exception would be northern parts of the state, Cumberland, Woonsocket. You could see up to that 5 to 10 inch amounts, and at the coastline, lighter amounts, about 2 to 4 inches near the coast, which is going to bring our total snowfall in the range of 6 to 9 inches for the Providence metro area, west and east bays, 3 to 6 at the coastline, 9 to 12 in the northern part of the state. Boston, again, getting up to around 2 feet of snow in parts of the Boston area. As we take a look at our Futurecast throughout the day today, and we'll start off here at 9 o'clock in the morning, you can see that snow over the area, light to moderate throughout the daytime. Here's 2:30 in the afternoon, more snow falling, and then as we get into the evening, notice it eases up a little bit. We'll still keep at least some scattered snow showers in overnight. You can see one more burst here in those pre-dawn hours of your Tuesday, and at 6 a.m. Tuesday morning, we'll be seeing the tail end of the snow showers winding down over eastern Massachusetts. Here's that 7-day Futurecast from 24 today to about 31 for tomorrow. We're going to be dry during the day on Wednesday, and then looking ahead to Thursday, our computer models are showing another storm developing. Potential for accumulating snow on Thursday, especially during the second half of the day into Thursday night, along with gusty winds. Then behind that, brutally cold temperatures. We may break the record for an overnight low Friday night into Saturday morning with 8 below. And we're talking about barely hitting the double digits Friday and Saturday afternoons, much of the day spent in the single digits. And I do have more snow in the forecast for Sunday. Potentially yet another storm, more snow possible. We'll have to just keep an eye. A very busy, very cold weather pattern for us, where every few days it looks like there'll be a storm threatening our area. You can get that updated Futurecast anytime throughout the day today at WPRI.com. You want to download our new WPRI Pinpoint weather app to get live interactive radar and weather wherever you are for the iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. You can download it for free at the App Store or Google Play Store. Let's go back out to Gina. She's keeping an eye on the road conditions for us this morning.